people, I am Donyetta. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dyetta. Today's video is going to be another unboxing. I have something in a bigger box. So, if you have been paying attention to anything fashion related and you have not been up under a rock, which if you have and fashion's not your thing, that's okay. Come on, pull a chair up. We might learn some things today, or at least you get a laugh, or I don't know, relax, whatever it is that you choose to do as you watch this video, right? Right. So, Bottega Veneta has been everywhere, whether it be their mule sandals that everybody's rocking, whether it be the braided sandals that everybody's rocking, or whether it be what I have today. And today I'm doing an unboxing of the mini Jodie purse or handbag, whichever term you choose to use. Before we get started, if you have not already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And when you subscribe, please turn on those notifications so that you never miss the upload of a new and fabulous video. Okay, stories time. We're gonna rewind. Fast forward is forward. Rewind is rewind. Rewind to 10 years ago. I went to New York for a Beyonce concert. It was for her 4th album that she released. She was pregnant at this concert and nobody knew, but I knew. I remember turning to my friend and being like, "You think Beyonce's pregnant?" He was like, because she's dancing and doing all the single ladies dance moves. A couple of weeks later, she announced, I think it was at the VMAs, that she was pregnant with her first child, Blue Ivy. But while I was in New York, I met a lifelong friend turned brother who is a fabulous person. His name is Brian. And he is also not just fabulous in mind, body, and spirit, but in the industry that he works in. Like, he is all things fashion. I love him dearly. And so anytime I'm in New York or anytime he's in Atlanta, we always make it a point to link up. So he is a sales associate at Bottega. And I called him about a week ago, and told him that I was thinking about some Bottega shoes. And he was like, well, do you own any Bottega pieces? And I said, no. And he said, well, shoes can be trendy. They're cute and they're comfortable and they're worth the price tag, but they can be trendy. And so for your first piece, do something that's going to be a classic. And so we started talking about the mini Jodie. And I was like, I really like that Kelly green. He was like, yeah, that's cute, but it's trendy. And so we decided on a bag. He sent me some other bags, like pictures of them, along with the sticker shot. And we decided on the mini Jodie, and we decided on a particular color. And so I just cut we're about to unbox it so you guys can see what I got. And so nothing really to see here, folks. Just some stuffing. Oh, and I did ask him about a box, and he said, unless you buy shoes or something else. That's my receipt. Unless you buy shoes or something else, there are no boxes. And so here is the dust bag. Is that not cute? And see, that's the same green that the handbag would have been in that I was thinking about getting. So I like this dust bag. It's a nice quality dust bag. Smells like leather. There she is. Is she a gem? Isn't she lovely? So look at that cross-stitching detail. Y'all, this leather is so soft. So this one has gold hardware on it. Let's unzip it and see what kind of compartment room. Oh, and surprise, surprise, like I've never seen one of these in person. So I was really just going off a vibe that I got based on pictures that I've seen. So let's see what this is. This might be like a, well, whatever it is, it's sealed up. Might be like an authenticity card, maybe. No, it's just like a little, it's just some care instructions. That's it. Nothing to see here, folks. So let's take this stuffing out of it. So I don't know if you can see in there, but I mean, it's pretty roomy and there's no pockets or slits or anything on the inside, but the leather is really, really, really soft, y'all. So what I can do is I can show y'all what fits in it. Now this does come out of, I don't know why I do that. How come every time I put my purse on I had to carry it like a thigh, turn their wrist up. So the sticker shock on this one, it's pretty stiff. So this bag currently retails for $1,900. And this is the mini. They do have small, medium. They do have bigger. And so the bigger handbags you can actually like put on your shoulder. But I chose the mini as my first piece. I chose the black because black is classic. You can never go wrong with, y'all, this leather is so soft. You can never go wrong with black. So I know some of the black ones, actually the black ones that I have seen on the website, they come with silver hardware. And so I'm a black and gold girl. And so I really appreciate that this came with black and gold hardware instead of black and silver. So I'm gonna go get some of the things that are currently in my purse and see how they fit in this purse, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. Y'all, don't say nothing because I had to get like a couple of purses to show you what I had to go, to show you like what I would put in my purse. Because like sometimes I just grab a small purse and I just go. And then sometimes I have like my big mama purse. Okay, so what I'm gonna put in here is, for a purse this size, I would probably carry like a card holder. So this is my Coach card holder. So that fit in there easy enough. I can't put my phone in there because I'm recording on my phone. I'm trying to see if I have something comparable to the size of my phone. I don't think I do. I would put my Fenty makeup compact, whether I was wearing the face powder or not. I just like to have it because of mirror, right? And so, put that in there. I would have my, can you see it? Hand sanitizer, which is weird because I used to be so anti-hand sanitizer until this panorama called COVID-19 hit. Because I know like the more you use hand sanitizer, the more bacteria becomes resistant to it. I would put in here, I don't know why I got 2 eyeliners in my purse. So I would put in there something for my lip. So this is my favorite red lip, my Too Faced. And I would put 1 eyeliner in there. Because my waterline just be getting watery as the day go on. Be looking crazy. So that's all I can think about that I would put in it from that purse. Hold on, let me show y'all. And we still have room. See? It's not packed at all. I'm trying to think, like as far as essentials, I wonder if this would fit in there. See, it didn't, it'll be hard to fit it in there because of the construct, like the way the purse is structured. But it's very soft leather, so I mean it's moldable if you need to finagle. So those are the things that would go in there with me on a day-to-day basis, especially anytime I'm carrying a purse of this size. Like this is probably not a purse that I would grab to go to work, especially if I was commuting to work in any other type of way other than driving in my car. But this is a bag that I would grab for dinner, brunch, just if I had to run to a store really quickly, I wouldn't do like a whole day's worth of shopping with this bag, because I can't fit it on my shoulder. It would just be a nuisance to have to hold it like this all day. But like I mentioned, I got all that stuff in there, as you can see, and it fits. I still got a lot of room. There is more than enough room for my phone to fit in there. And so I love the smell of new leather. When I was younger, I used to hate it, but now I'm just like, oh. But what everybody has said is true. Like this soft leather, baby. I don't think I have any leather goods with a leather this nice and soft. And so again, like if y'all can see that, like the weaving detail, this knot right here is just everything. The strap is soft. The entire purse is just really, really soft. Really, really beautiful design. I love the gold hardware. I don't know if you can see like that triangle pyramid. Let's see how it zips. So the zipping is a little tricky because of the way it's shaped. I'm like trying to get over here to like past this big knot. But I think I've heard people say that. Child, fighting with this like it's some shapewear. Look, ain't nobody got time to play with Bottega and this zipper. Yeah, it's really hard to get over here up under this knot, y'all. Hold on. There we go. I'm not going through all of that if I'm out in public to zip my bag up. I'll probably just half zip it. But yeah, this is really, really cute. I don't think I want to get the Kelly green one. I think I want to get a bigger size. Now, what color that would come in? I probably wouldn't get a big black. Ooh, I might. I can have the senior and the junior in the same color. So I don't think I will get the Kelly green in the mini Jodie. I think I'm gonna go for a bigger version of this bag because I really do like it. The leather is really, really nice, y'all. That's all American way, all thoughts carry a person. I'm gonna have that hand up like that. So again, you see how much this purse is not stuffed by any means necessary. I could fit quite a number of additional. Now, unzipping it is easy. But baby, when we get up here in that nook and cranny, woo, child. Just can't look at it. You gotta feel. So yeah. There's the gold hardware. I hope you can see that a little bit better. Beautiful, beautiful bag. And it is a mini. Let me think. I have the Louis Vuitton Favorite. It's a mini. I have some belt bags. I have a Prada that's a mini. And I have a YSL round camera bag. Of all of my minis, it's in the top contenders as far as how much it can hold. So, though she be little, she be but fierce, or mighty, or strong. Whatever Shakespeare said, though she be little, she be mighty. Whatever Shakespeare said, though she be little, she be a mighty warrior. I don't know what the quote is, but y'all get what I'm saying. So this bag is giving what needs to be gave. Baby, I can't wait. I might have to go somewhere just like tonight, like run to a convenience store or something just so I can, take this little bitty baby with me. Ain't she cute? She cute. She cute. She cute. She cute. She cute. If you can get over the sticker shot, this is a bag that I would recommend. I like it. I like the quality. I like the construction of it. I am getting... If you're a fan of like miniature bags, then this would be right up your alley. If you're a fan of luxury designer mini bags, then this would be right up your alley. So I am starting to gravitate away from like my larger hobos and totes, and I have added 4 minis to my collection this year alone. And I am gravitating away from like the big handbags. Now back in the day, baby, the Neverfull, I have carried that thing so much that I'm surprised it still has straps on it. The Louis Vuitton Neverfull, and I have the GM, so the largest one that you can have. I've like been able to put shoes, my lunch. I've used that as a beach bag Like that is like the standard. If it wasn't a big bag, I did not want it. But like I mentioned, in this last year, I have started gravitating towards like minis and smaller handbags. And so this is definitely going to be in rotation. Y'all going to get tired of seeing this black bag. It's going to be in heavy rotation. So if small bags are for you, if you're a fan of minis, and if you like the big bags, like I said, they have at least 2 more sizes, the small and the medium, and I think they might have a large. Now, the large looks like a parachute. I've seen a picture of it. It's not for me. But if you like it, I love it. But I really, really love the craftsmanship. I really, really love the feel. I am here for it. So I want to give a special thank you to my sales associate, my friend, my brother, Brian. He really made a good recommendation on this one. I love it. If you guys are ever in the New York area and you are at the Bloomingdale's on, I believe it's 3rd Avenue in New York, stop by Bottega and say hello to Brian and tell him that Donyetta sent you. He is so awesome and so friendly, and I know he would just love to meet each and every one of you that may stop by and help you with any of your purchase needs. That if you want to get you a Jodie too, baby. I love it. And I love you, Brian. So thank you so very much. So that is the end of today's video. I want to thank you for joining me. If you are a new viewer, welcome. I hope that you enjoyed your time here. If you are a return viewer, thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for returning. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And when you subscribe, please don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you never miss the upload of a new and fabulous video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.